What's going on, vlog? We just made it on our way to the Airbnb. What you gotta say, man, first time being here?
This is nice, man. It's a lot like Jamaica. I see everything, banana tree, coconut tree, the girls them, the car them. Only thing, them drive on the right side of the road. Jamaica, wrong side of the road. But this is nice.
Oh man, we just got to the room, about to be showed around. This thing's nice.
All across the El Conde, at Inveriño is the cathedral.
Okay, yeah. Oh, so that's just right there. Okay, yeah.
Columbus Park.
I've been there before, yeah. Okay, sweet. Room tour. Oh, this is the first room? Man, this place is nice. You said this is the master room?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my room, basically. I gotta take the best room.
That's the second room.
Okay, definitely
Here
nice.
are
The bathrooms.
You have two bathrooms.
Okay.
This and wait. That's the third room.
Yeah. Oh, that one here for you, Chevy. She run this. I can't keep the landscape. You're there first. And then she'll show us around here, so man. This thing is nice, man.
That's the kitchen.
Yes. Now I just need somebody to come cook.
And you have another bathroom right there.
Yo, this is dope. Crap. This is nice. This is. Guys, I'm not about to lie. This place is absolutely amazing. Like, bro, like this is like the ultimate chill area, bro. Like, are you like? Let me put the camera down, bro. Like, look at it. You feel me? This. Call my waiter. Call my waiter.
I can walk on like this all day, bro.
It be like that, man.
Just like
But yo, we about to go get some food, and yeah. We waiting for Lance. We waiting for Lance to come. He coming in the morning. Cooks. I'm not about to cook no food.
right here, bro.
I'm not about to cook no food. I don't know what this dude talking about. But this place is so amazing. Bro, look at the ceiling is so high up in here, bro. This junk is nice. This junk is absolutely nice, man. We definitely about to go see what's up. So we about to head out, go do some currency exchange, and about to see what's going on for some food.
Sure, that one belongs
I think it's the one to go. No, that's actually cold right there. So let's go, guys.
Okay, bro. Outside, but we're still inside. Open the door, we will come out of here, brother.
And that's how many times I gotta spin this key. God. Okay, there it is.
That's a Spanish lock.
There it is, guys. Outside.
Y'all hear this open?
No, we gotta close that with this other key. I ain't leaving nothing open. My stuff up in there. But we about to take a little walk, exchange some money and see what's going on. Beautiful area, man. It's a beautiful area that we in. Yo, this place is crazy, man. Spanish music playing in the background. Like, look at this. It's like a cathedral type of place. Watch it. Yo, man, so how you feel? Your first time walking here?
Feeling good, man. Feeling nice, man. Got that no jacket on, man. Short sleeve.
This boy said it's not winter time.
It ain't winter time. No, we're closed.
Come on. It's crazy how colorful it is here, man. It is super freaking color. Like, look at the background, man.
Learn this?
Huh?
I will teach you all Spanish.
I just learned Spanish because you have no choice but to learn what you want to eat, right? If you eat a certain type of food, every time you go to the restaurant, they're gonna keep saying the same thing. So you got no choice but to start picking up. And it looked like some type of wedding or something going on up here. Watch this. So we're not too far from the place to exchange cash. But it's cool, man. Always seeing life when you go to these countries. Like, look at this guy. Look at this guy over here. That's pretty cool, man. I like that.
My God. My God.
Bro, we just passed Michael Jackson, man. That was hilarious. What is this dude doing? Phone place. What? Man, we've been walking. I'm trying to figure out where the heck the money exchange place at, man. That was it.
Ox.
I ain't about to ask nothing. I'm about to keep walking. It's supposed to be over here to the left somewhere. Alright, so we just stopped to get some drinks to cool us off, man. What you want to say to the YouTube, man? The YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
¿Qué canales?
Hey, subscribe to the vlog. Andre Walsh, man. See? Yeah, out here getting subscribers. We ain't playing. Still walking, and we not too far. But it's some type of carnival or something going on. Some type of music band. I don't know what's going on, vlog. Hola, hola. ¿A qué le parece, Juan? Hey.
Mira, tu aporte, tu aporte, tu aporte.
No hable español.
Oh, English, English. El English, el English.
We are raising funds for children with cancer. So we're gonna be singing all over the place, walking around, and raising funds to help different children.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. There we go. There we go. I like that. Subscribe. Man, this place really reminds us of Jamaica. Look at the guy over there selling food on a cart. Look at that. Eh? That dude's selling food on a cart, man. You ever say?
Food on wheels. Never seen that before.
That dude lying, man. They got that in Jamaica, man. Stop playing.
Jamaica, I seen it, but I never seen that before. But that's here in Jamaica. I never seen it. Yeah, Scott.
Yeah.
Again?
Hmm?
Remember that,
Buenos tardes. Buenas tardes. Hey, sit where? Anywhere? Alright guys, so we at Adrian Tropical. About to eat some good food. We got the waitress cleaning off the table. English?
No.
No? Okay. Where's the menu? English menu? Sí, okay, gracias. That dude gonna tell me I'm sweating. It is hot as heck out here. This, bro, back home it's winter time. It's hot, man. But this soup is good. No habla español, tú habla inglés. Watch this. Don't touch my camera, bro. Don't touch my camera. So as you guys can see, we basically got targeted and assaulted by the Dominican Republic police.
Them for dead.
Literally touching my camera, hitting my camera with his baton. And this, bro, like that stuff is not okay, dog. Like you assaulting people when we literally just went to go get something to eat. We just went to go get something to eat. Now we walking back to the room, not messing with nobody, nothing like that. That junk don't make no sense, bro. And that's messed up, man. And that needs to stop. It's discrimination.